ಎಂಟಿವಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ರೈತರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನ ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ತೆರಳಿ ನಾನು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಂಬುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ರೈತರ ಏಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಚಿವ ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶನಿವಾರ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯ ಎಸ್ ನಿಜಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹಾಗೂ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದ್ದ ಜಂಟಿ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
If Government of India is not ready to provide you assistance, I will provide you assistance on behalf of the state government. But it should be a successful program. That's what I wish, because tomorrow I should not become a mockery before anybody else also. That is the challenge for me also. So kindly look into that aspect, because anyhow we, the Karnataka one who has started blending in earlier days, means really it's an admiring issue also. I think that is the first issue. Second issue, all these days what has happened was in Karnataka, sugar industry has been neglected by many governments. But now, thanks to my CM, he has shown little keen interest on sugar industries. But what has happened was earlier all these sugar industries have been brought up by the state government under the cooperative sector. But what has happened when the time passed, all the cooperative industries have become sick because of the issue was there was no control on the cooperative system of the government, because they recruited many people. Even if 100 people can do that job, they recruited 300 people and they brought the industry into sick industry. That's what happened in
ತಾಜಾ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಎಂಟಿವಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 24x7ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ. ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.